Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new blower motor resistor on a 2006 GMC Envoy XL. This is a similar process on all GMC Envoy models with the manual climate control. So why exactly am I replacing this? Well, I only have 3 speeds working on my climate control fan. Speeds 4 and 5 does not work. At first I thought there was something wrong with the climate control knob. I changed out the control knob and nothing. But after doing my research online, it turns out to be the blower motor resistor located in the glove box. This is a very common issue with these vehicles as they age because the wires can't handle the heat, so they just end up melting the resistor. I also recommend replacing the blower motor at the same time because this is an older motor. It will draw more electricity and it will create more heat on the wire. Hit that subscribe button and show your support to my channel. My channel has grown significantly and it's all thanks to you guys. For this project you're going to need the following: a new blower motor resistor, a 7mm socket, a 732 socket, electrical tape, butt splices, and a lot of patience. One thing to note is that if you have the manual climate controls, you will need a 7-pin connection. The automatic climate controls have a different pins depending on the model, so make sure to do your research before buying a resistor for these vehicles. I will also be doing a video on a GMC Envoy with automatic climate control, so stay tuned for that. Start off by removing this black panel located underneath the glove box. There are 2 7mm bolts holding them in place. There will be some electrical connections held by a rivet inside the panel, so slowly remove the panel and take out the connections. Up here with the colored wire is the resistor held by 2 732 bolts, so start by unscrewing that. Once the resistor is out, open the glove box and unplug the power wire to the blower motor. You just gotta squeeze the plug and pull it to remove it. We had problems with this HVAC blower not working about 15 years ago, and our mechanic at the time attached a ground wire to this bolt here. I was way too young to know why, and when I asked my parents, they also don't remember. So yeah, the blower started working again after he attached the wire to that bolt. Chances are you don't have this ground wire, so ignore this step. I'm just going to take it out and remove it. After the power wire is unplugged, go disconnect your battery. So this is the resistor. As you can see, the wire has melted in some spots. I'm not going to even bother unclipping this, so I'm just going to splice it near the connection here. Here's the connector. As you can see, it's totally shot, and the resistor here, it's melted in some spots. Here's the connection. Like I said, yeah, it's totally shot. It's no good. Kind of scary if you ask me. So I pulled out a resistor and the pigtail connection from a junkyard Envoy. You can order these online brand new for about $40 on Rock Auto. I'm just going to strip the wires on the new pigtail and inside the vehicle. I will fast forward as I do this. Again, make sure to disconnect the battery because I didn't and got electrocuted when I replaced this on my other Envoy. This is a comparison of the old resistor from my vehicle compared to the one I got from the junkyard. The junkyard one appears to be a bit more rusty, so let's hope this works. I don't see any melted points on the one that I got from the junkyard, so it should be okay. As you can see, the one on the junkyard is the one on the left here, and the one from my vehicle is the one on the right. So I attached a butt splice to each wire and then used electrical tape to secure the connection. You can also use a heat gun to melt the butt splice in place, but I used electrical tape here. Once that's done, install the resistor back into the housing. Just hand tight it in place, then connect the power cable to the blower motor. Now before putting everything back together, let's make sure the blower motor works. So go connect your battery and turn on the vehicle to see if the blower controls work. As you probably heard, everything is working perfectly. All 5 fan speeds work now, so I'm really happy about that. Now let's secure this black cover in place. That's going to be it for today's folks. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. See you all next time.